Why do 80% of new iPhone users love the setup process? Because it's super easy. Let's dive in. First things first, power on your iPhone 16e by pressing and holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once it boots up, follow the on-screen instructions to select your language and connect to Wi-Fi. Next, set up Face ID or a passcode for security. If you're upgrading, you can restore from a previous backup. Or set up as new and create a fresh start. Once you're in, the home screen is your command center. Swipe left or right to access your apps and widgets. Open apps by tapping their icons. Access the control center by swiping down from the top right corner. Here, you can quickly adjust settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, and volume. Finally, dive into the Settings app to customize everything from notifications to display options. Tailor your iPhone 16e just the way you like it. That's it! You've just mastered the basics of your iPhone 16e.